Hey friends, we are doing 159 and 160 today for our journeys pages. Mine's a little bit blurry here, so bear with me. All right, so we are talking about suffixes which come at the end of the sentence, and the two suffixes we're working with are able and able. Okay, so we're going to read through our words first. Edible. If something's edible, that means you can eat it. Agreeable, you know what that means. Changeable, something you can change it. Visible means you can see it, right? Collapsible means you can break it down. If it's a box, it might be collapsible. And then breakable, you probably know that word too. Something's breakable. So each sentence below includes a word with a suffix with one of these two choices. So you're going to complete the sentence. So a plastic apple is not edible because, how would you finish that sentence? Think about something. If it's not edible, it's because why? So in my book, they have, it is fake and shouldn't be eaten. But you might have a better or a different answer. So there is more than one answer. Why can't you eat that? It is fake and should not be eaten. Okay, so it's like you're looking for the word that has the suffix, okay, and then you're going to finish the sentence, okay, in your own words. All right. The next one says, one thing that can be described as collapsible is, so I want you to think of something in your house that collapses. One thing that can be described as collapsible is and then you're going to put it right here, okay? Let's look at number 3. The most agreeable people are the ones who, think about how you could answer that. If somebody's agreeable, that means they're willing to do what you want to do, right? So it says the most agreeable people are the ones who, and then I want you to answer that in your own words. Okay, like I said, there's more than one answer. Okay. The next one says one example of changeable weather is snow on one day and blank on the next. So I might have snow one day and blank on the next day. You pick. Okay. And then Mrs. Hagen's going to leave you with those last two. Okay. I think you'll be good at those. And then meet me on page 160. All right. We are talking about our final long E words. Okay. And we are going to do the crossword puzzle. Fun, right? This goes with the story that you read on Monday, which is The Life and Times of Ant. I hope you like that story, and I hope you remember to take your AR quiz as well. If you didn't, make sure you do that. All right, so here we go. Complete the puzzle. You guys are good at crossword. I have across and down. Okay, they're going to give me a clue I need to go over, and it says that they're only using the basic words, so only focus on these words right here when you're looking for your answer, okay? Let's read through these words. Turkey, lonely, colony. That might be a word that you, like, they sometimes in social studies, they'd say that there were colonies, okay? Which would be like almost like today we might call it a city or a state, but when in older times they called them different colonies. Number 4 is steady. Number 5 is hungry. Number 6 is valley. Number 7 is hockey. Number 8 is starry. Number 9 is melody, like a song. Number 10 is movie. Number 11 is duty. Number 12 is drowsy. Number 13 is chimney. Number 14 is plenty. Number 15 is daily. Number 16 is alley, like a road that might be an alley behind a building. Number 17 is 50, the number 50. Number 18 is empty. Number 19 is injury. And last one is prairie, where there'd be some grass and just kind of a grassy area. Let's do one together. So we're going to start on the across side. The clue is sleepy. So I'm going to look through those words that we just read. Okay, see if you can find it before Mrs. Hagen. What word might mean the same as sleepy? right, did you choose drowsy? I bet it's drowsy. Okay, so I'm on number 2 across, so I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna find that. And if you find a word and it doesn't fit, that means you didn't pick the right word. Drowsy, D-R-O-W-S-Y. And you'll continue on, guys. You've done crossword puzzles before, so I don't want to help too much with this one. You do not need to do the challenge section down here, okay? So have fun with that.